Hey everyone, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and in this lesson we're going to learn our E minor chord. Here it goes. The E minor chord is built of three notes, the root, third, and fifth, so we have E, G, and B that makes up the chord. We're only going to use two fingers of the left hand. We're going to use our first and second finger. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put our first finger on the second fret of the fifth string. And then right underneath it, we're going to put our second finger on the second fret of the fourth string. And then what makes it easy as well is we're going to hit all six strings. And you can experiment with arpeggiating. Easy enough. Now, if you only hit 6, 5, and 4, you're doing the power chord. E5 chord. I won't get into all the theory on that. And then if you hit the top strings, just 3, 2, 1, that would be your first most simple E minor chord. Third, second, and first string, that's an E minor chord. So I think it's easy enough that you just put your first and second finger down, hit all six strings, and then you have your first E minor chord. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next lesson.